Good morning, Wind Ensemble. Today we're going to be focusing on getting a great warm-up in, and I'm going to be using tonal energy here. And so if you have tonal energy, you should use it. If you don't, this would be a good time to get it. So I just wanted to show you the presets that I use for our warm-up on a daily basis. Okay, hopefully you can see that and see the number of measures and the tempo for each one of those different presets we use in class. I'd like you to take that first one at 80 beats per minute. The rest of them are kind of flexible. If you can play them faster, go ahead and take them faster. We can also, oops, that's not what I meant to do. We can, there it is. Edit the current group and we can see them there. Again, we can see the titles, we can see the tempos, and we can see how many measures for each. I've got it set to do a 8 beat count in. I've got the accents on. So I would like you to do the first warm up, the long tone warm up at 80 beats per minute. It needs to be at least that slow to help you have time to listen to your tone. But the other ones are flexible. If you can play your lip slurs faster than 116, play them faster. If you can play your articulation faster than 132, do that. If you're a flute player or brass player, you may even want to do some double tonguing if you know how to do that and go quite faster. Chromatics set to the middle school tempo of 144 for eighth notes. But if you want to shoot for the 9th and 10th grade tempo of 16th notes at 100, or the 11th and 12th grade tempo of 16th notes at 120, you could do that. Currently I've got two different presets for my major scales. I've got them set for the 7 middle school ones to 120, which is the tempo we should be able to take all of them, and then a slower tempo for the high school ones. But if you can play all 12 well at 120 or faster, then set it faster. And then you don't really need to do harmony in B flat major by yourself. That's more of an ensemble piece. But if you set this button right here, and you've got those same settings like I do right here.
1, 3.
Oops. Make sure we start on the long tone exercise.
1, 3.
Then you can play through it at home with
6,
tonal energy,
7,
just
8.
like I've got on here. Okay. So hopefully you get tonal energy. Even if you don't, you could set your metronome, whatever metronome app you have, or physical metronome, to those same settings and go through your warm-up. But go through it carefully. Make sure that you're making your very best sounds. Don't be afraid if something doesn't go right to do it one more time and make sure you fix it. Percussionists, you can do the same rudimental exercises that we've been layering on top of this in class. And then once you finish that warm-up, begin to practice some of your other music that you have. I'm going to have videos next week getting us more into the music, as well as helping you with doing your scales a little bit more. I'm going to do a more extensive video on that. So hopefully you have a great day. Enjoy playing music, but start with a good warm-up. So whatever music you play, you've already prepared yourself physically and mentally to make your very best sounds. Okay? Have a good one.